So in this capstone, I was the group leader and part of the animations group. So I worked on the chapter titles animation with Yasmin's assistance, military tattoo segment, and the graphics for the appreciation video that FSV did. In my opinion, the biggest challenge I faced is the run against time to complete the different tasks. So while doing my work, I slowly learned to ask people for assistance to speed up the different tasks that I was given and to complete them efficiently. So besides learning the new software and plugins, I learned many different things. One being to delegate your own tasks. I also learned that many things about NS lah, so combat and non-combat wise, and I'm extremely looking forward for it.
For my capstone project, Mindy and I was allocated the game segment. I illustrated and designed the Try Again segment as well as the hands for the Spot On segment. Furthermore, I animated the whole of the game segment using After Effects. One challenge I faced was using Illustrator, which was a software that I had never touched on beforehand. I managed to overcome this by making use of my time to do tutorials to practice Illustrator, and additionally, I sought help from my peers and Raymond if I needed any help.
First, I designed Firefly and Galaxy overlays with Haotian for the singers using trapcode in After Effects. There were initial challenges, but thankfully we were able to overcome them. Secondly, I played a role in Media Launch Act 3 by curating and editing stock videos to match the provided song. This helped convey the intended atmosphere for each act. Lastly, I developed 3D elements for an AR experience with Blender. I created 3D models of the Ndp Stadium, Marina Bay Sands, and the Esplanade, along with their textures created using Adobe Illustrator. This experience taught me the importance of timely task completion and the value of embracing new skills and knowledge.
Rochelle and I collaborated on the game segment. I did both the design and animation for the game logo and illustrated the hands that are shown after people finish the lyrics for the song. One of my biggest challenges was trying to use Adobe Illustrator because I'm more used to Procreate. To overcome this, I watched tutorials and consulted other creatives in the office on how I can navigate my way around Illustrator, and I managed to get used to the software.
In my National Day Parade capstone project, I undertook the task of designing a Kiss camera overlay using Adobe Illustrator and After Effects. The final iteration featured Singapore's silhouette and minimalist designs was actually shown on China News Asia. I also delved into creating 3D assets through Blender for an AR experience, enhancing my Blender familiarity. This multifaceted journey yielded valuable real-life experience, networking opportunities, and personal growth, leading to a successful show achieved through adaptability and diverse perspective comprehension.
Hi, I'm Haotian and I work with Nikki for the particle overlay for the singers. Then I did the karaoke lyrics for the game section and the graphics for Media Launch. For the AR filter, I experimented with Blender and created a 3D Ndp logo, multicultural boats, fireworks, and the Singapore flyer. This experience was highly eye-opening as I met many other multimedia professionals and learned from their stories. There were many challenges, but together we were able to find joy in the work and wholly contribute our appreciation to the nation.